What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the specimen. No truck today, just the old part, one that's locked up solid. If you guys saw my Instagram on one of the pictures I had put up, this is one of the trucks we had did the turbo replacement on back to back on one of their other rigs. So we're gonna break this down, clamp by line, by bolts, and we're gonna see what the internals of this locked up component looks like. So here we go, guys. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take our oil line out. I've gone ahead and removed both Jesus clips from the bottom and lower oil fittings. Just gonna pull up on this one, wiggle this guy loose, pop right out. If you're going to be replacing your turbo, I would not reuse this line. I'd always recommend getting a new one, this and the coolant line. Just make sure your turbo comes with the fittings. The new one should. Go ahead and take this clamp out of our way. Get this downpipe clamp out of our way. Okay, so before we go ahead and separate this, I'm going to go ahead and take this pedestal off. We got two bolts, one here and one here. We're going to zip this pedestal off and gain a little more access. Alright, we got a 6mm Allen. I'm going to go ahead and rip. Couldn't do it without Milwaukee. Unzip that guy out. Can't reuse them. Get new ones. Take this 10mm bolt out here in the front. Okay, now you got your pedestal coming free. All cast iron. Got your gasket right here. Let's see, can we see anything in there? Nope, not yet. Just oily. Alright, let's take our 11mm band clamp off. I don't know if anybody's ever seen inside their 6.7 turbo before, but you will now. Spread it apart just a little bit. We're gonna give a little persuasion. With the air hammerooski. Obviously you don't want to do this to a turbo you're gonna reuse. We're just gonna separate this half. Okay, so this is coming apart real time. Okay, here's the exhaust side. Nothing really messed up in here. That little piece of metal is from me, just chiseling apart. Our stinking clamp. Let's see here. Oh wow, you can see piece of the fin's busted off. Looks like some piston rings almost on there. That's kind of funny. Let's see, what else can we take apart? Guess I could take that out, but I don't really want to take that off. So I could take off this impeller housing. Alright, gonna zip these off. Quarter drive. Oh, wow. Check it out. It's really oily. Nasty looking. Well, it's starting to move. Maybe it was hitting the housing. It doesn't want to turn any farther than that. I can't go anymore. Or anymore. I wish I could go farther. I mean, I suppose I could take the VGT out. I don't know really what that's going to show me. Maybe some debris. That's busted off. Probably my doings. Oh, it could be stuck in there. Doesn't look like the housing wants to come out. A piece of debris could be lodged in there, but we don't care. Fittings, could take that plug out, could take this out, but don't really feel like doing that. That's pretty much as far as I can go. Those are all your vanes that move to develop boost. You can see them all the way around. And yeah, you can see the main shaft there, the shiny right there, that's the main shaft. Let's see if we can see it move. Let's see if we can see the exhaust move. Yeah, they're attached. They're just locked up somewhere inside. That's as far as I can go, back and forth. Alright, you guys, tell me what you think about that in the comment section. If anybody's ever had to take their 6.7 turbo apart, disassembled, and just wondered what it looked like inside. But this one's, yeah, definitely not being reused, and I guess. So, alright, you guys, next Friday. See ya.